All set now, and the race on. Queen of Class from the outside, Luna Rosa. And moving up is Fields of Gold. Down on the inside go Vinny, Launlan, and Mr. Makati. Fields of Gold, Luna Rosa, Queen of Class, go Vinny. Launlan is racing on the outside. Mr. Makati is running at the tail of the field. Fields of Gold, Luna Rosa, Queen of Class, Launlan, go Vinny. And joining them is Mr. Makati. Passing the half-mile post at Fields of Gold, Luna Rosa, Queen of Class on the outside. Mr. Makati, Launlan. Now the complexion of the race has been changed with Queen of Class. Now the leader. Launlan is on the outside by the release Mr. Makati as they race the final corner. Queen of Class by a length and a half, followed by Launlan. Mr. Makati down on the inside is Fields of Gold. And ring the last 100 meters more to run. Queen of Class followed by Mr. Makati. Launlan is on the outside. Queen of Class, Launlan is on the outside. It's now Launlan and finally Launlan. Queen of Class. Mr. Makati, number 2, go Vinny. Fields of Gold and Luna Rosa.
Okay.